Okay guys, in the last video you guys saw me unbox the OBX TSX 421 header. Now I am going to go ahead and try to install it. And as mentioned in that video, first glance, not 100% if it's going to fit. And if it does not fit, I don't know what's next. This is my kind of last attempt to get this going. So I don't know. I guess we'll see. We'll find out. But yeah, let's hope that this sucker fits. I am bummed. Oh, maybe it did come with. Let's see. Nope, those are studs. I don't think those are for these guys. Maybe it is. I don't know. I have to give it a shot. But I'm going to go ahead and mock this up. Let's hope it works, and then everybody can know what header you can use as a K-Series all-wheel drive. But the CRV tri-header did not work, so this is my second attempt. And let's hope this sucker works. Alright guys, I'm going to set up the camera, and I'm going to get down to business. Look at that, guys. It freaking cleared. You guys have no idea how excited I am right now. So, as you can tell, this header does work. I'm going to let that company know. And they did supply these little studs. So, awesome. Just gotta get these suckers in here. This is so surprising, guys. You guys have no idea how much I was worried about this. Okay, now that's not that gasket. Alright, I gotta use that cheap gasket that it came with. It works, I just prefer metal. So, goes that. Bottom header. Just like that. Alright, time to tighten this up. Okay guys, I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. As you can see, the header is installed. I lost the other nut, I think. And I think these, on the previous motor, there were studs. And on this motor, there's no studs. So I got to find some bolts, bolt that down. It's really about it, and get the other nut. I don't even know the size of that, so I got to get that also. I'm pretty sure those little studs that I put into the header to connect them, I don't think those were for the head. I'm pretty sure that I put them in the right spot. But there it is, guys. OBX 421 TSX header is installed. Just so you guys can see under. There is a gap that I have to close up on the exhaust right there, but I have a friend that can do that for me. So that's about it, guys. I'm gonna send him a picture. As long as I could get this car running, I could drive it over there and get that all done up. And just a few more things that I have to get done. I don't know if you guys noticed, I removed the radiator, took it to a friend who it had a bit of a leak. I had him weld it, which I could show that later, but it's almost done. I mean, it really is pretty much done. All I need is the axle, radiator, and finish plugging in the harness up here. And then gear oil, motor oil, and finish up this guy, which I have a plan for that. I just got to make it out to somewhere to get some AN fittings. The hoses I have all ready for the radiator, which I'll cover that in another video. But other than that, guys, that's it. That header is sweet. I will post the link in the description box, and we're gonna go with it. So there it is, guys. So like, subscribe, share the video. I know a lot of people say you can't find a header off the shelf. It has to be a custom header to go all-wheel drive K-Series. There it is. It's false. You can't get one off the shelf. That's a $240 or $250 header. Super cheap. Way cheaper than getting a custom header. Is it the best design? I don't know. You guys tell me. But it's on there. So I am going to take it and run, and hopefully have this car running in the next couple days, but we shall see. All right, thanks guys.